You looking for an amazing view of a pond during the summer and the spring? And a house for under $650,000, 4 bedrooms in Southwest Edmonton. Hey everybody, we are in Keswick in the brand newest area, so there's still a lot of new home construction. This house is $650,000, 4 bedrooms, main floor den, and it overlooks this pond that if we're not in the winter time, it's gonna be gorgeous. So there's a really cool feature in here that I really wanna show you. So let's get in here and see what $650 is gonna get you in this particular location. And if you might be considering a relocation, of course, make sure you reach out to me and my team because we always take the stress out, my friends, and we make it easy. Info below. Let's get in there and check it out. So this is the main floor den, flex space, and it's big. I, myself, really like that it's open. So look at these gorgeous windows that allow so much natural light. The thing that I wanted you to check out in this one is this is almost an identical build as the one that we just took you through. Click here to check it out, and there will be also, you can click in the link at the end of the video. But it's just the interior design colors are different. So you can see that they really warmed it up. So it's almost like a blonde laminate, and I do love, friends, this is actually engineered hardwood. It's 100% waterproof, amazing. And it's just organic and natural. It's a much softer, warmer design with these natural elements like the rattan light fixture there. You can see that they have the exact same thing through here. But I mean, that's just personal style and preference because you may not like this style, but I really do appreciate how warm and inviting and more homey and cozy it feels. Don't like is I do not like that this bonus room has no windows. I hate that. You've got Rabbit Hill Ski Resort, which is 5 minutes away as well. You got the airport 10 minutes away. And you are gonna get a lot of equity appreciation again because these are brand new, this area that's being built out. So I hope you learned a lot. If you have questions about builders, this builder is Rohit. I've done lots of business with Rohit. They tend to be a builder basic. They tend to be entry level, large production builders, but it doesn't mean that their quality isn't good because I've had quite a few clients move into Rohit homes. So this guy, like I said, $650 because of the square footage, the amount of bedrooms. It does have a side entrance if you decided that you might want to suite the basement for additional mortgage helper in the future, which I always love because I just think that's smart. So thank you for coming. Leanna Martens, your best Edmonton real estate agent. If you might be considering a relocation, make sure you reach out to me and my people because we take the stress out and we make it easy. Information's below. I want you to comment, tell me what else you want to know, what else you like, and I'll see you in the next video.